Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials: a verified Google account, a recovery email, and a phone for verification. Once done, enable two-step verification so you can safely add aliases and delegates later. Create separate Chrome profiles if you plan to sign into many accounts simultaneously. This avoids session conflicts. Make sure to review Gmail storage limits and Google Workspace options if you need higher caps. Starting this way prevents lockouts and saves time when you add filters, forwarding, and automated rules next. Now build the operational system. Create aliases with plus tags and dots to give unique addresses for signups and lists, because Gmail treats them as the same inbox, yet they let you filter. Next, set up filters that apply labels and archive or prioritize messages automatically. This reduces noise. Add multiple inbox panes or configure forwarding and delegated access for team handling. If you use other email services, enable IMAP or POP3 fetching so one account aggregates mail. This keeps everything centralized and manageable. Finish by automating repetitive tasks. Enable canned responses for common replies, use scheduled send for batching, and apply smart labels to surface priority threads. This saves hours. Make sure to regularly audit security. Check recent activity, review connected apps, and rotate app-specific passwords where required. Once stable, backup important mail to Google Takeout or a local archive. If something breaks, reauthorize accounts. Review filter logic and forwarding rules, and check two-step settings to resolve most sync or delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.